Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this first day of June 2026. And nothing's changed from May to June. We're still going to look for our strong candle indicator. It's actually our second strong candle indicator trade. Um, we took either both of them actually, so we'll take this one as trade of the day, and here is why. We We've just double failed off of a pivot, and now we're going to look over here at PVI to set our targets. We see that the next candle can be anywhere from 60 to 160 ticks long. So we're going to go for our larger ATM, which is 20s, 50s, and 100s. So we're going to de-risk the trade at 20s. We're going to go for 50 and 100 ticket runners, and here's how it all went down in the live trading room today. So we'll go ahead and do this, get the order on. Wait for a little bit of a retrace, and then we'll go from there. So we'll keep it at regular speed, market speed, until we get picked up in the trade. Then we'll put our stop where it belongs and speed up the replay so we're not here all day. And there's a really nice retrace. Orders on, we get picked up, stop goes where it belongs, last major failure point. And then we just wait, and we'll go ahead and speed it up. As soon as we hit 20s, you'll see that the stop goes to a break-even position. So we didn't hold all that risk for very long, just until our first target was taken out. And given the speed of the market, that's a pretty easy target to take out. Now we just wait and see if our runners can get hit. Boom, 50s are out. Markets was pretty fierce on some news on the way up. And once that news is digested, it usually comes back down with the same kind of intensity, which is what happened here. So we're almost to our 100 tick target. Targets are out. That trade took a little bit more than 3.5 minutes, or a little bit less than 3.5 minutes to complete, and was worth 960 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 960 US dollars in 3.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very, very soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.